You can learn to do this. You can learn to program. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. I just want to take a second to just talk about the struggles of learning Python. So we can even highlight this on the journey with this YouTube channel. So I started probably 7 years ago learning, and I ran across, I forget what online book, really was intrigued by it. Actually, it started with a article that I read about big data before that data science term had come to be about. So I just wanted to take a second and talk about taking a pause, and it's okay. But lean into this channel. These videos were made kind of as almost a documentation, a replication of the journey that I had while I was learning. I went back and found old things that how I learned, notes, and I realized that if I can save somebody some pain, I want to do it. And of course, it's branched off and done all kinds of other things and pushed me. But this is supposed to be the place that you feel okay. So I just wanted to take a second to say that you can learn to do this. You can learn to program. So if there's something that you're not sure how to do, or you kind of remember how to do it, I am a huge believer in what has been said before me, and it's very wise, and I should have had the quote around. But if you want to learn something, if you want to become an expert, if you want to become a master a subject, teach it, because you ended up doing the same thing over and over again. And I had seen that in my life in a couple of examples, but never heard it stated so eloquent. Like when I started training people doing all kinds of odd things, it was miraculous how much better I became at said subject, said topic, because I kept saying the same thing over and over and over again, and I refined it and I got better at it. So guess what? I've written the same piece of code now 100 times. So it's become more efficient. It's become more flawless. It's become more elegant. The first code you write is supposed to be garbage. Go back and look at my first video. Oh my God, I can't. I tried to. Yeah, I wanted to kill myself. The first stuff you do is supposed to be garbage. Very few people can sit down and do this and do it. So just wanted to give you a little pick-me-up, a little reminder. Anybody, if I can do this, I started, so what? All right, so right now I'm 43. I'm 43 years old. So I started at, how old was I? So I said it was 7 years ago. So if I could learn, I was set in my ways. I was old for learning a new skill, and I could do it. And now I'm teaching, I'm sharing, I'm perfecting my skills. And if somebody who's old is dyslexic, has learning disabilities, attention issues, if I can do it, I promise you, anybody can. The Python programming language is perfect for everybody, all right? So, because this was not my first attempt. I tried when I was in my teens at C++. I couldn't get it. Couldn't get it at all, couldn't get it a little bit. Thought it was beautiful, wanted to learn it so bad. Almost spent $750 back in 1995 on the program. Glad I didn't, but then in 2013, printed off a book and I've been off to the races. But I had stumbles. I stopped. I started over. I tried all kinds of things. Then when I started sharing and showing others, I was like, oh, that's why we do that. And then I'd have an aha moment, and then I'd go and do better, and then I'd go back, and then this channel has pushed me. I realized that I wanted to perfect what I kind of understood, and it has challenged me. You guys have challenged me. So I just wanted to take a second to say thank you, and also going to be taking a little bit of break. Don't forget about, you guys are really doing awesome. Really got some good GitHub feedback. Don't forget about that. Don't forget about the book on Patreon. Don't forget about all these videos. If I got a challenge for you, if there's something you're trying to learn and you don't see it on here, I'll get it around for you. I have a couple new series coming. Going to finish up the stock data. Got a new module we're going to look at. Then we're going to work on Django. Then might mess around with LaTeX or LaTeX. So yeah, got some really cool stuff coming. You guys are awesome. I can't believe that about to pass 2,100 subscribers. But just want to say, take a second to always say thank you. You guys are spending your time here. Your time is very valuable. I'm very, very aware of that. Limited. That's our limited resource. Everything else you can get more of, borrow. You can't make up time. You can't invent time. So thank you guys very much. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Had some huge growth in the past couple months. So as always, thanks for watching. Drop any comments, questions, video requests down below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.